Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Number 17, Meditation, Goggles NeoPixel Meditation, Small Enclosures, Mk08. Hammond Manufacturing Ltd. For more than 100 years, customers who have required unsurpassed performance, wide selection, and durability for power distribution, racks and enclosures have relied on the Hammond brand. The business started in a backyard workshop in 1916 located in Guelph, Ontario, Canada. In 1917, the original company known as OS Hammond and Son was established in Guelph. OS Hammond and Son began making tube radio sets, battery chargers, and other related products between 1919 and 1927. In the early 1930s, Hammond became the first company in Canada to manufacture a line of two-post racks and a narrow cabinet to support the growing broadcast and communications industries. Company expanded its focus on the U.S. and international markets. Hammond made a number of strategic acquisitions of transformer companies and became one of the largest suppliers of magnetics to the North American electrical OEM market. ABS plastic handheld enclosures, 1553 series, soft-sided, ergonomic comfort, battery compartments. Ergonomically designed for handheld comfort. Choice of 5 sizes and 6 color combinations.
Now the goggle pixel meditation goggles, Arduino Uno, the Proto Shield, and Music Shield. So now this button for this, so now ground and power. Fine, yes. Now the here button for sound. Now good, perfect. The button reset. Now, good. This here, here and here, good. And now go to the goggles here. This goggles same thing. This and good. One and here. this and it's good and good here. Good. This here. This and this. This go to Protoswheel and C. Now Protoswheel and here. Perfect. So now here this and this. Good. This ground 5 volts. This reset. This analog 4 first and 5 here. Perfect. Here. Ground. And it's good. This go to perfect and now this here and that's it. The goggles here. Good. This, the power to connect for Arduino here. This connect computer and C or battery and good. Connect for the power, so it's good. And go to and connect the speaker or earphone and good. I think now here this here and here yellow here and go to or and simple, and go to the volume, and now Google Pixel meditation. Bye-bye.
Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum Vitae. Zoom. Patreon. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram.